Hi, my name is Matt Hill and today's date is January 22nd, 2026. Today we'll be filming a video for Sitek Process Solutions, and since our videos are uploaded to the web and we like to keep our customers' privacy, I will give you the PO number and the location of our customer. Our customer is located in the US and the PO number ends in 600734. Today we'll be reviewing a 440S chamber that was sent in for repair. I'm gonna go ahead and get the tool started and I'll go over everything with you. Smaller cassette, that in there. Okay, we'll be running a typical spin rinse dryer process during this video, which it starts in the rinse cycle where the water will rinse the substrates for any unwanted particles off of there. After that, it'll go into a purge cycle where the purge setting will eliminate any excess water out of the DI lines. After that, it goes into a dry one cycle where the RPM speed up increasingly high and allow the force of the spin to remove the larger particles of water. After that stage, it'll go into its dry two cycle where the RPM will decrease significantly and allow the heating elements to finish drying the substrates. This unit came in for a service. It had a high vibration. We found that the rotor pin had snapped off, and so it was causing the rotor to slip. We repaired the pin, realigned the motor and rotor, and then set it back up. We also installed a new LPP ACR valve that they had purchased as well. See, we're in the dry one stage. Everything's looking good so far. Although this was just sent in for a service, a lot of our customers will send in these whole chambers for full refurbishments. This is where we break down the tool to the component level and test each component for function. And we also electro polish and chemically clean all metal parts. Once all components pass inspection, then we will go into our dry quality control area where the tool will be built from the head up and without the facilities installed for testing. Once it passes the dry quality control, then we'll go into our wet quality control area where we will add in the facilities and then test for full functionality. After that stage, it'll end up in its final configuration, which you see here, and then we will run multiple recipes multiple times to ensure that this is ready for a plug-and-play installation back into the fab. On top of SRD services, we also offer all spare parts that are needed for it. And we can, anything from motors, motor repairs, LC4 repairs, controller repairs, your ACR valves, static eliminators, solenoid valves, door seals, windows, anything that you would need to keep your SRD up and running. Along with the SRD, we also offer box washer parts and services. We recently came out with a new Sitek box washer, and we were able to offer all services and parts for it now. All right, we're in dry two. This will be a longer stage, looking good. Most of those water droplets are dissipating. Along with the box washer, we also offer wet benches now and mask cleaners. Basically, most of the things you would need at the front of your fab is something that we would be able to offer for you. Here at Sitek, we're always looking to improve the industry. One of the things that we did in that sense is we developed our own S1 slick device controller that has a touch screen, N2 savings, and it has preventative maintenance capabilities. It is a plug-and-play installation, and it can go right into the fab. We've also developed the same slick touch PLC controller for the box washer as well. A lot better interface and easier to upkeep and provide any types of parts for it. Okay, looks like we have a little under 2 minutes left. I'm gonna go ahead and step out and let this finish, and I'll pop right back in at the end. feel that warm LPP. Cassette is nice and dry, warm to the touch. And it looks like we have ran a successful run. That will conclude our video source inspection for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch it. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 916-797-9000, or you can visit our website at sitekprocess.com. Thank you and have a good day.